Hello, today we're going to wrap a single flower. I have a single rose, so let's get started. We're going to need 2 sheets of papers, and this is how you're going to fold your first paper. You place your flower at the center, and then fold your second paper in a triangle and squeeze it. And you're going to place it at the center. You can put it slightly in the back as well, just like that. Don't put everything at the front. It's going to look too bulky. And all you have to do is bring the sides at the center. Make sure they all come together nice and easy and you do not have any gaps. Readjust everything and that's pretty much it. It's a super easy technique that is great for any type of single flower bouquets. You can add a nice ribbon. I went in with something thin because the bouquet is small. I don't want to overpower with thick ribbons. And that's it. Look how beautiful and elegant this looks. Subscribe for more.